We have just completed our Design Duo Twin-Off series, and we wanted to walk you through our Luxaflex journey and the process from design concept to the end result.
We have worked with Luxaflex on a number of projects now, and it's always a collaborative and enjoyable process that brings together inspiration, expert advice, customization and ongoing support.
Bringing together your dream window treatments, enhancing your living spaces, functionality, and adding a touch of luxury. The journey begins with drawing inspiration and exploring the Luxaflex collection to start to build a vision of what the space needs. This is a combination of functionality, design aesthetic, and budget. From here, a Luxaflex consultant is a great way to start fleshing out options. This is where Luxaflex knowledgeable consultants will guide you through the entire process and understand your specific needs, preferences, and style aspirations to help you select the perfect window treatments. Luxaflex really understand the importance of customization to ensure your window treatments fit perfectly to your space. During this phase, you have the opportunity to customize your chosen Luxaflex product to suit your space. This includes selecting fabrics, colors, operating systems, and additional features.
The vision really starts to come to life once the measurements have been taken, and this is a crucial step to have a Luxaflex professional measure your windows to ensure they fit perfectly.
Once the products are ready, your Luxaflex installer will ensure a smooth and hassle-free installation experience.
Now, there's nothing left to do but to enjoy the transformation of your space. But the journey does not end here, as you can now rely on Luxaflex for ongoing support and advice.